Let's help a local company build a cash register for their store. The idea is to ask the user for the price of various items and sum up those prices to tell the user the total price. To simplify our task a little bit, we're going to assume that the register only calculates the total price of 2 items. We'll code this in 3 simple steps. First, we'll create 2 variables to hold the price of each item. Second, we'll use another variable to hold the sum total of 2 items. Lastly, we'll display the result. Before we start, we need to discuss one detail: decimal numbers. If you must represent a decimal number, say 1.15, always separate the 2 parts of the number with a dot and not a comma. If you use a comma instead, the computer will think there's a bug. As long as you remember this, you should have no problem representing a price. Now, let's jump into the code editor. Begin by creating the variable first item price and assign it a number less than 100. Next, create the variable second item price and give it a value that is also less than 100. Finally, create the variable total to hold the sum of first item price and second item price. Once you're done, run your code to test the register.